Hello everyone, this is Satish. I'm the product manager at A&T Video Networks. So today I'm going to unbox the IKON 300 all-in-one video soundbar. Let's open the box first and see what are the accessories are inside. So power adapter with power cord, USB cable, IR remote control, user manual, screws for wall mount and TV mount kit, wall mount kit, and finally TV mount kit. Finally, the IKON 300 main device. So the unboxing is done. All the accessories are kept on the table. Now we can move to the technical information about IKON 300 device. 4K Ultra HD resolution, 120-degree wide field of view, 5x digital zoom with ePTZ supports, built-in 4 mics array and one 5-watt speaker. So the features are, this device supports AI auto framing, AI speaker tracking and expansion microphone support. So the interfaces are 12-volt DC input, and this port for the expansion microphone connectivity. This is for the Ethernet port, and this USB to connect to the PC. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. Stay tuned for the IKON 300 demonstration video. Please like, subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.